Are you looking for the best antivirus software for your PC, Mac, or mobile device? You have come to the right place. We have done hours of research and examined all the latest independent lab tests out there to help you pick the best antivirus product to protect yourself and those you love. In this video, we will show you the top 5 brands in the cybersecurity space and what makes them worthwhile. Also, we have put a huge effort into creating this video so you can easily and confidently choose the best antivirus product. Now let's get back to our review. We assessed each antivirus using 5 different criteria. Number 1 is features. You learn about the features and utilities offered by each brand. Number 2 is malware protection, which is an assessment of how well these brands protect you against different types of malware threats. Number 3 is system performance, which measures how each software impacts your computer's speed or system performance. The fourth criterion is pricing. Here, we'll see how each brand prices its products and how many devices are covered under different pricing plans. Number 5 is user interface. Here, we talk about the user-friendliness of each company's software interface. So, let's begin. Now, let's get to our list of the best antivirus software out there. But if you're in a hurry, check out the links in the video description for our number 1 antivirus recommendation for this year. Number 5 is BullGuard. BullGuard opened its offices in 2001. It's an award-winning cybersecurity company focused on providing consumers and small businesses with innovative cybersecurity solutions and the opportunity to operate in a safe digital environment. The company offers 3 different products. The entry-level product is the BullGuard antivirus software. This is a Windows-only program which provides complete protection against malware threats, a safe browser, a game booster, and a behavioral engine. The second product from BullGuard is called Internet Security. This package offers protection for Mac and Android devices as well. It includes all the features from the antivirus suite, plus an advanced firewall, parental controls, and some neat PC tune-up features. BullGuard Premium is the highest tier of protection offered by the company. This product includes everything from the previous package, plus identity protection, and a smart network scanner. In terms of anti-malware protection, BullGuard got 6 out of 6 points in the protection category on the recent AV test evaluations. It successfully detected 99.99% of all widespread and zero-day malware samples it was tested against, which is incredible. In the performance category, however, BullGuard was just shy of the perfect score when tested for the impact on system speed, with 5.5 points out of 6. As for pricing, BullGuard antivirus costs $29.95 per year for 1 PC. The Internet Security Suite costs $59.95 for 3 devices, including PCs, Macs, and Android devices. Lastly, Premium Protection costs you $99.95 for 10 devices and $139.99 for 15 devices. Number 4 on our list is Norton. Developed and distributed by Symantec Corporation, Norton is a leading organization in cyber safety since 1991. Currently, Norton is one of the most valuable security companies in the world, protecting millions of consumers all around the world. The company offers 4 different tiers of coverage. Their first product is Norton Antivirus Plus, which provides complete protection against all kinds of malware and cyber threats, including ransomware and spyware. Other than that, the package doesn't offer much value. The Norton 360 Standard Suite is the second product from the company. It offers everything from the previous package plus some extra features like dark web monitoring, real-time threat protection, and a secure VPN. Next up is Norton 360 Deluxe. This product contains all the features from the previous packages plus a password manager, full-blown parental controls, and 50 gigabytes of cloud storage. The final offering from the company is 360 Deluxe with LifeLock Select. Along with everything from the previous suites, you also get LifeLock Identity Alert System, a credit monitoring system, a $1 million protection package, and 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. For malware protection, Norton received a perfect 6 out of 6 score from AV Test, indicating exceptional anti-malware capabilities. In terms of system performance, Norton again received the highest 6 out of 6 rating. Now let's talk pricing. Norton Antivirus Plus costs $19.99 per year for 1 PC and 1 Mac. 360 Standard Suite costs $39.99 for one device. It can be a PC, Mac, or smartphone. 360 Deluxe package comes at $49.99 for 5 devices. Finally, Norton 360 Deluxe with LifeLock Select costs you $99.99, also for 5 devices. The third position goes to Kaspersky. Kaspersky is a global cybersecurity company currently protecting businesses, critical infrastructure, governments, and over 400 million users around the globe. This brand is known for continually contributing to the cybersecurity landscape with its deep threat intelligence and innovative products. Unlike BullGuard and Norton, this company offers a free software package called Kaspersky Free. This tool only provides a basic level of protection against some malware types, but doesn't offer much in terms of advanced features. The first paid product from this company is Kaspersky Antivirus. This package offers comprehensive protection against all kinds of malware attacks, a firewall, multi-layer ransomware protection, a gamer mode, and a vulnerability scanner. Next up is Internet Security Suite. It offers everything from the Antivirus suite as well as a secure VPN, Wi-Fi network protector, and a hardened browser. Next up is the flagship offering from the company called Kaspersky Total Security. This suite includes all the features from the previous products plus a password manager, a parental control suite, and a file shredder. Kaspersky Security Cloud is the final product from this company. It offers the same features as the Total Security Suite, plus an adaptive technology that manages the software as per the user's online behavior. It also includes remote management for all connected devices. This suite comes in personal as well as a family version. Like some of the other top-notch antivirus brands on the list, Kaspersky got a full 6 out of 6 in the recent protection and performance test by AV-Test. As far as pricing goes, Kaspersky Antivirus costs $29.99 per year for 3 PC-only licenses. Internet Security costs $39.99 for 3 licenses. The Total Security Suite costs you $49.99 for 3 universal licenses. Kaspersky Security Cloud Personal comes at $49.99 per year, whereas its family version comes at $149.99 for 20 universal licenses. Next, we have McAfee. McAfee is a world-renowned cybersecurity company protecting over 500 million customers worldwide. With a cloud-first approach, this company creates ingenious enterprise and consumer security solutions. Its products are based on a holistic, automated, and open security platform capable of sharing threat intelligence over digital networks. Like a few other brands, this company offers a single product for home users called McAfee Total Protection. It provides comprehensive malware protection including ransomware protection and advanced identity protection, a 2-way firewall, file encryption utility, network monitoring features, a password manager, and a comprehensive parental control module. As expected, the company got full scores in the recent evaluations by AV-Test due to its solid malware detection capabilities and minimal impact on system performance. As for pricing, a single license of McAfee Total Protection costs $34.99 per year. However, the more devices you add to the package, the lesser you have to pay for each additional license. For instance, you can get 5 licenses for just $5 more at $39.99. Similarly, you get 10 licenses for just $44.99. Finally, our number 1 choice is Bitdefender. Bitdefender is a global cybersecurity leader that has consistently contributed award-winning security products and threat intelligence to the cyber landscape. Trusted by over 5 million users in more than 150 countries, Bitdefender provides innovative and top-of-the-line security solutions for both individuals, small businesses, and enterprise clients. The first product from this company is a free software package called Bitdefender Free Edition. It's a PC-only software that offers basic-level protection against malware threats. You'll not get any advanced features with this product. Antivirus Plus is the first paid offering by this company. This package offers top-of-the-line protection against all kinds of malware and digital threats, an advanced firewall, a limited-use VPN, and a password manager. Internet Security is the second product from the company. It offers everything from the previous suite plus file encryption, parental controls, as well as a vulnerability checker. Next up is Bitdefender Total Security, which is the flagship product from the company. This suite offers the most comprehensive security for your devices. It includes everything from the Internet Security Suite as well as a Wi-Fi Security Advisor, an anti-theft function, and a system optimizer. This suite offers the most value for your money, given all its features and utilities. But if you want to protect all your home devices, the Family Pack Suite is the best option for you. It protects up to 15 of your devices and incorporates advanced parental controls to supervise, limit, and manage your kids' internet usage. For Mac products, the company offers Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. This product provides several top-drawer features, including complete malware protection against all Mac-related cyber threats, secure online shopping and banking transactions, a secure VPN, as well as a system optimizer. When tested for anti-malware capabilities, Bitdefender successfully detected and blocked all malware threats in the recent AV test assessments, receiving a perfect 6 out of 6 rating. As for impact on system performance, once again, Bitdefender bagged a perfect score, demonstrating exceptional performance with minimal system performance impact. Now comes pricing. Bitdefender Antivirus Plus costs $29.99 for the first year for up to 3 Windows devices. Internet Security comes at $34.99 for 3 Windows devices. Total Security costs $39.99 for 5 Windows, Macs, and mobile devices. The Family Pack costs $54.99 for 15 devices. Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac costs you $19.99 for 1 device and $29.99 for 3 devices. You know why Bitdefender is our top recommendation? It provides the most reliable protection through its top-of-the-line features, cutting-edge malware protection, minimal impact on your device's speed, excellent value for your money, as well as an intuitive interface that is a breeze to use. We've evaluated and reviewed over 50 antivirus suites from the top-ranking brands in the cybersecurity industry, so you can confidently choose the best antivirus product to protect yourself and your family. We think that Bitdefender is the best antivirus software out there because of its excellent performance in all independent assessments we've examined, in particular, the ones carried out by the AV Test Institute and AV Comparatives. We highly recommend Bitdefender Total Security Package, as it incorporates the best protection and most advanced features for all your devices. But if you want to cover all your family's devices, you should go for the Family Pack that protects up to 15 devices. If you're just looking for Mac-specific solution, you can get Bitdefender's Antivirus for Mac for complete peace of mind. You can find links to all these products in the video description. I hope this video helped you in finding the best antivirus product for your digital protection.